Hello everyone, this is Nitya, Assistant Professor of Mathematics from St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Today we are going to see the Bernoulli's formula and the simple problems. Last class we had seen the odd and even function part 3 problems. So far we had seen the odd and even function part 1, part 2 and part 3 problems. Today we are going to see the Bernoulli's formula and the simple problems used on the Bernoulli's formula also. It's an important thing, it's an important formula, Bernoulli's formula. Integral over u v dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus so on and so on. Here, where v1, v2, v3 are the functions obtained by the integrating v with respect to x, and u dash, u double dash, u triple dash are the differentiation with respect to x. So one thing that is important thing which you are going to remember, that where u is a differentiation with respect to x and v is the integration with respect to x. Okay, this is a Bernoulli's formula. That is integration of u v dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus and so on. Okay, now based on this formula we are going to see some problems. First problem, solve integral of x power 4 into e power dx. X power 4 into e power dx. We know that the Bernoulli's formula is integral of u v dx. So u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus and so on. Here let us take the u as x power 4 and v as e power x. So u is the differentiation with respect to x and v terms are the integration with respect to x. So what will happen? U dash becomes as 4 into x power 3. That is, when we are differentiating x power n, we are getting n into x power n minus 1. So u dash is 4x cube and u double dash is 12x squared and u triple dash is 24x, u power 4 is 24. Likewise v1, v2, v3, v4, everything will be after integration we will get e power x only. Okay. Now we are going to substitute in the given question. Integral over x power 4 into e power x dx. So u v1, u is x power 4, v1 is e power x. So x power 4 into e power x minus u dash is 4x cube and v2 is e power x. So minus 4x cube into e power x plus u double dash is 12x squared into v3 is e power x minus u triple dash is 24x into e power x plus u4, that is 24 into e power x. Now see that e power x is common in all the terms, so better you can take it outside, and e power x into x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 12x squared minus 24x plus 24. So if you are converting into a whatever the problem may be given in the function, so if you want to convert into udv method, or if it is in the format of uv dx, then you have to use a Bernoulli's formula for that problem. Okay. Next problem, solve integral over x power cube into cos 2x dx. Here let us take u as x power 3 and v as cos 2x. So u dash is 3x squared, u double dash is 6x and u triple dash is 6. Likewise v1, after integrating cos 2x we are getting sin 2x by 2. Then v2, after integrating of sin 2x by 2, so 2 will come already, then minus cos 2x by 2 into 2, 4. Likewise v3 and v4 we have to find. Now integral of u v dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus and so on. Now we are going to substitute the values in the given question. That is integral over of x cube cos 2x dx equal to x power 3 u v1. So x cube into sin 2x by 2, then u dash v2. So minus 3x squared into v2 value is minus cos 2x by 4. Likewise minus u triple dash v4 and so on we are substituting. So what will happen? So x cube sin 2x by 2, minus into minus becomes as plus 3x squared cos 2x by 4, and then this will minus 6x sin 2x by 8 and minus 6 cos 2x by 16, not 8. So just make a correction, girls. Here 16 has to come. Minus 6 cos 2x by 16 has to come, not 8. Please make a correction on the last step. Instead of 8, the last term, instead of 8, you have to change it as 16. Okay. Next we can move for these simple problems, which is not comes under the Bernoulli's formula. It's a general integration. So evaluate x integral of x log 1 plus x squared into dx. Okay. Some corrections I have made in this problem. In the notes I have given which was wrong. Okay, some of the girls in your class, especially the Padma Priya, she has sent me personally. So I have once again I have corrected the problem. So just listen now. So let u equal to log 1 plus x squared. This is formula of uv minus integral of v du. uv minus integral of v du formula, general formula we are using. So u equal to, take u equal to log 1 plus x squared, and integral of dv equal to integral of x dx. So v equal to x squared by 2 after integration. Then du equal to, we know that log x can be written as 1 by x, and then here, so 1 by 1 plus x squared will come, and then after differentiating x squared, 2x has to be coming. So 2x into dx. Now apply in the format of uv minus integral of v du. So u is log 1 plus x squared, uv is x squared by 2 minus integral of v x squared by 2, du is 1 by 1 plus x squared 2x dx. Now cancel the 2 in the second term. So we are getting minus x squared divided by 1 plus x squared into dx minus x into dx. Okay. So here I have used the product rule. Product rule for the differentiation, generally we will use a product rule, that is d of uv equal to u dv plus v du. Likewise for the integration also, integration symbol is there, can keep as itself. Simply we are, by using the product rule, we are substituting that formula uv plus v du, that formula we are using here. So I am splitting into two terms here, that is first one is x squared by 1 plus x squared term, and then remaining another x is there, so minus x into dx I am using. So plus into minus becomes as minus, and here plus into minus becomes as minus also will come. So what will happen here, we know that x by x squared plus a squared, x by x squared plus a squared term is integration of x by x squared plus a squared is 1 by 2 into log of x squared plus a squared. So what will happen for this term, log of this one, that is x by 1 plus x squared. In the place of a we are having 1, so x by x squared plus a squared equal to 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x squared. Another one x is remaining in the numerator, so that x is here. Okay, and then here minus x squared by 2, and here minus plus into minus becomes as minus has to come. Actually minus has to come in this place. Please change it as a minus here. Okay, in this place make a correction in a minus here. Okay, so this is a problem. Now we are going to see the hyperbolic functions, that is sin hx equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2, and cos hx formula is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So this is the hyperbolic function formulas. Now using this we are going to see some problems. Evaluate integral sin h 2x cos 3x dx. If you have the h term like this, it comes under the hyperbolic function. So we have to use the hyperbolic formula. So it can be written as sin, just now we had seen sin hx formula, that is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. So here we are having sin h2x. So e power 2x, in the place of e power x, e power 2x has to come. So e power 2x minus e power minus 2x by 2 into cos 3x dx. Now split into two terms. So that is, one is e power 2x into cos 3x, another one is minus e power minus 2x into cos 3x, and take the 1 by 2 should be outside. Now see the first term, here a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Likewise second term, here a equal to minus 2 and b equal to 3. Now we have seen in last class, that is the exponential form. It's exponential functions. We had seen that integral of e power ax into cos bx, that is the odd and even function part 3 formula we had seen. There e power ax into cos bx equal to e power ax by a squared plus b squared into a cos bx plus b sin bx. In that formula we are going to substituting. Okay, so for the first term we are going to apply. So in the place of a equal to 2 and b equal to 3, one term we will get. Likewise minus into, for this term, second term we are going to apply a equal to minus 2 and b equal to 3 in this, using this formula, exponential formula. So half into e power 2x by 2 squared plus 3 squared, that is a squared plus b squared. Then 2 cos 3x plus b sin 3x, that is a cos bx plus b sin bx. Likewise minus e power minus 2x divided by minus term, minus 2 the whole square plus 3 square. Likewise minus 2 cos 3x plus 3 sin 3x. Now here 2 square plus 3 square is 13. Here also 13 will come. So just common, take it as outside. So it will become just 1 by 26. And take the numerator e power 2x into 2 cos 3x plus 3 sin 3x. And then minus has to come. Wrongly I have written as plus. Just change the correction. Minus has to come. And e power minus 2x into minus 2 cos 3x plus 3 sin x. Now take the 2 cos 3x should be common in both the terms, right? So you can take it as a common. So 2 cos 3x. So what will happen if you are taking 2 cos 3x, then e power 2x into e power minus 2x will come, because already here minus is there. So that minus and then minus becomes a plus here. Now likewise 3 sin 3x, it's a common in both the terms. So 3 sin 3x into e power 2x, then minus e power minus 2x, that is this minus. Okay, so now 2 cos 3x e power 2x into e power minus 2x by 2. We are splitting again. 26 is 13 by 13 into 2. So 2 we are taking inside. Likewise here also. Okay, so the last term will be 1 by 13 into 2 cos. This can be written as, by the hyperbolic functions, we can write as cos 2hx, and this is sin 2hx, since it's a minus is in center and this is a plus in center. Okay girls. Okay, today we had seen the Bernoulli's formula as well as the simple problems used on the Bernoulli's formula, as well as using the hyperbolic function also we had seen one problem. Okay, so go through it, watch it. If you have a doubt, so please message me or text me personally. I have given my number, WhatsApp number also. You can text me personally, no issues at all, even if you have any doubts. Okay, and then actually I want to appreciate you girls for finding the mistakes in the problems. So while you are writing itself, you are understanding and writing. That's a very, very good thing. So while you are writing itself, you have started learning. Obviously you have started learning by yourself also. It's a very good thing. Please all of you follow this thing. It's a very good thing, because so many of them I have seen that even if I have given the notes also, they won't even after copying also they won't find out anything. But Padma Priya yesterday, she had given me the message. Likewise everybody, please, while writing itself, if it is anything is there, you can text me personally and you can learn while writing itself. So if you have started learning that time itself, then while watching the video also, you can understand it clearly, even if you know before. So thank you so much girls. Okay, thank you.